DD Prepper checking in. Good day here at Walmart. Got some Talermo Brass Max in. It's early Saturday morning, April the 12th. They've always had the 40s and the 45s in. Never a shortage of those. Got some 22s in. 22s are in. 45s again. 38 Special. Got some Colt. They've always had that in also. Plenty of this ZQI stuff that nobody buys. Plenty of that. Damn cases will probably be here till they send them back, I guess. 32 auto. Some 380. And cases upon cases upon cases of 7.6 by 3.9. I think it's about 5 cases of that in there. Anyway, I'll be leaving with some Brass Max and 22 long rifle. Alright, DD Prepper out.